So hi Surbhi, thank you so much for taking out the time from your really busy schedule, because I know right now a lot of things is going around your life. So thank you for taking out this time for our audience. Before moving ahead, Surbhi, why don't you introduce yourself for the benefit of everyone?
So, hi Vikram. First of all, thank you for this opportunity. And hi guys, my name is Urvi. I am here in Bangalore since 3 years. As of now, I'm a founder of my own startup named Mentor School. Vikram transformed me a lot. I've lost it 14 kg with this program, with this amazing program.
So Surbhi, I just like to know that how long you were there on the program and how many kgs you lost.
So basically, I've started this program in the month of August, and I have done it like I've completed it on the month of December. So in that time duration, I've lost it around 14 kgs of weight. I was around 74 kgs, and as of now, like at that time in the month of December, I was 60 kgs. So as of now, if I check my weight, empty stomach, it is around 58.
So very important thing you highlighted here should be that after finishing the program itself, you lost certain number of kgs, right? Let me just ask you this question. So after finishing the program, you pretty much went to your normal diet, right, Surbhi? But still lost some kgs. Can you just highlight that part a little bit?
So after completing, going normal, like whatever in the morning, whatever I eat, and in the evening, like I used to eat 2 chapatis and all the other stuff, which is regular. What is my regular diet? Okay. Yes. So no, I've not put any of the weight after this weight loss journey. Okay, I've not even gained, even though I've lost it 2 kgs after it. Okay, so that's the benefit of this program. Most of the time, like we do program, but at the end of the day, we'll get a result and we again gain back weight. Okay, but in this program, this doesn't happen. Like I've lost 2 more kgs, so that's the thing.
Superb, Surbhi. So see, weight loss is visible. Transformation is visible, but there is something which is the benefit, health benefit, which is not visible from the outside. I would request highlight that aspect of your in this program.
So so I'll just tell you that why I've gained my weight. So I've gained my weight because of my thyroid issue. Okay, so I was suffering from hypothyroid. So just because this unhealthy lifestyle, what we go through on our daily basis, we didn't get time for our health. Okay, so what we do is like we sleep and we eat. Okay, because we are so much of in a busy schedule that we didn't get a time. Even we don't include exercise in our day-to-day life. Okay, and we are totally based on junk food. Okay, so from those kind of things, I was suffered from this hypothyroidism, and in like immediately on 2 months, in 2 months, like I've gained around from 56 kgs, I've gained around 75 kgs of weight. You can say like more than 16 kgs. Okay, so that was very difficult for me. Like if I used to see myself, so I was like really underconfidence that why I'm like gaining so much of weight. So it has really become a very difficult thing for me. By following this diet, the major thing that I've seen is my thyroid levels. So it is very much positive. I've got a very positive report. My thyroid is normal. So that is the very good benefit I've seen from this diet. And apart from that, my skin quality, okay, there was a lot of tanning in my skin, so that is also visible. You can see this texture improvement, skin texture improvement, hair improvement is there. So a lot of things I have seen that it is going good with this particular diet. And one more thing, I'm continuously following this thing till now as well. Okay, because that is a very good thing I've learned. Okay, healthy lifestyle. Exactly. So that is a major thing I've learned from this particular program, that your health is very important. And I've stopped eating junk food. Like I was literally loving pizza and other stuffs, other outside food, pizza, burger, and all those stuff. But you will not believe, I have not even tasted it since August 2020. So that is the good thing I love from this diet. Yeah.
Actually, I remember your chat on WhatsApp, which you have sent me, where you said that Vikram, I was literally surviving on pizzas and burger before, and now it is there in front of me. I don't feel like having it. Believe me.
No craving, literally no craving.
So Surbhi, thank you so much for all those value addition and for all those words, kind words of yours. One last thing I would like to request from your side, that what is the message you would like to give to the audience who are watching this video?
Yeah. So the very first thing I would like to say, look, health is wealth. Okay. If you are healthy, you are wealthy. Okay. So if you will be giving priority to your health, definitely you will be in some position, you will be getting a lot of wealth. That's my personal experience by going with this program. So that is what I want to tell to the audience, that yeah, just do your work. Okay, because we all are in a busy schedule, we all are in edtechs, so just take out a little time for yourself, for your health. And definitely I will suggest people to go with this program, because this program just transformed me internally as well as externally. So definitely I will be recommending. And thanks for your support, Vikram. You were like literally amazing because you supported, and obviously a mental support that you have given initially, that was very beneficial for me, which motivated me to follow everything. So yeah.
One last thing, Survi, I just wanted to ask that I remember in the initial days of the program, you were skeptical about the program. You were really doubtful about certain things.
Right.
You took that leap of trust and you started with that program. So can you just talk about that? What all skepticism you were there in your mind and how it turned out later?
So basically my thing was that I've tried a lot of things before when I came to this program. So I didn't got any result out of it. Okay. So I'm a bit in a hesitation that will I be getting any result if I'll be going to join this program, or I'll be same like whatever. So there will be a waste of time and a waste of money. So that's what my thing was. But after joining this program, in 10 days only, I've seen 2 kgs of dropped. So that was a change. Okay. Obviously I've felt a change. So that's why it like I regained back my trust that yeah, definitely this program gonna work for me. So that's why we have moved ahead. So I will not recommend anybody to go in my situation, because that was my bad, because I was trying a lot since January to July, but nothing happened. So that was the thing. But yeah, I have seen the changes in like 10 days only. So that was very good.
Thank you so much, Survi, for taking out the time once again. And definitely this conversation of ours will help a lot of people to take the right decision towards health and fitness, right?
Yeah, thank you so much, Vikram. Keep doing the good work. Thank you.